Yes, so true. Naija no dey carry last. Pata na bracket draw. Anyway, Sugar Baby don't show back. Yes, and I'm waiting the sub segment within now one like this. Sure. You tell me come back. This is your red gang.
Hey, they say this.
This is your red gang.
They do somehow.
The man of God. You know, say you get what you just I get for you. One man of God will go do cook.
No, na man of God. They there for a meeting. That man of God.
No. You know, say we get National Association of Nigerian Pastors, and we get National Association of Osusu-oriented Nigerian Pastors. Now the Osusu-oriented are there. You know, if you come our ministry empty-handed, we do Osusu-oriented. Now Osusu they move our anointing. Anyway, Sha.
So how do our kids they go?
Yes, we don't knock them. They don't shop play better. Our kids, they don't shop play better. You see, if you say we no motivation,
Holy communion.
Now only communion we collect. You see the ministry collect holy communion, come collect gist.
Yeah.
Anyway, Sha, it's very very important. But me now why? You know, so over 2 years now, Chelsea fans don't they suffer. Chelsea fans don't they suffer. Every weekend, if your boyfriend or your husband are Chelsea fan, if you come off afternoon, come back, you go come day like this, very moody day. They do as if they cry. Son, they just lose match. They complain, say, their coach no they try you. See, if you get brother or sister, will be Chelsea fan. May inform and say, true to God, don't answer their prayer. Lampard, Frank Lampard, maybe the Chelsea manager like this, they don't do the bros. Do their job. The bros they don't go.
You know what's happening? You know, some women, we know they like football, like the way women they take like them. So now this guy, I make we know who be the manager of Chelsea. Before I don't know, that guy they watch ball, JJ with one bros. Now bro, come the key. See now we go lose this match. And I see Lampard go change this player. We go lose match. I say who be this Lampard? They say that they are manager.
Don't joke. You know what the funniest thing? Our landlord. Now Chelsea fan, and caretaker. Now Manchester United fan. So as Chelsea just a lose match, caretaker don't know when they say the same Vincent when they watch man. Now landlord they watch man. So the guy got the last Chelsea fan. Now the landlord just come and die lemon tell and say, Oga, give me all my documents. You know the caretaker again. In fact, pack her from my house. He gave 6 weeks to take father and the house. Because they asked her, landlord, why you go pack her? He said the bros they had to engrave.
Before they give in this left foot, left they give up. So somebody up the thought say he just post for his status. He said, "I beg, please take correction. If Chelsea win this match, I beg sack Lampard. If they don't win, sack
Lampard.
In fact, they don't want to
the
hear
bros don't
whether you win or you don't win.
No, the bros don't do too much. The bros don't too much. You don't too do. And thank God, Kukuma in the like wear jersey number 8 when he be play for Chelsea, he be play for them. In the like wear jersey number 8, and as the bros they come out, he drop them for 8th position. So he give them waiting in get. Anyway, on top of that one, we go enter another matter. You know, say if they tell people wear face mask, say corona they go say no. Person way they craze man, madman they even observe coronavirus safety precaution. Bring her. Show Sugar Baby. Now man be that thing wear face mask. He no one catch coronavirus. See this man, he dey craze. Now craze man. He know not be joko.
See this thing that will happen now. This thing now. Before, if me, I don't want to believe before. I don't believe say corona. You know that these madmen, then they communicate with us
spiritually.
Yes.
But the spirit don't say.
In a message, this man.
The spirit don't say. Craze man. Wear face mask. Chris man. Na second wave. Chris man.
Now wow. So if Chris man will get that mind as a wear face, who you be?
Who you?
Why you not go wear face? Now wow. No, this is really serious. So.
Seriously. See bring the picture again. See I got the answer, me. Chris man, no. Why you come wear this thing?
Did this anyway?
He not there with anybody.
See
and if you check where you go see hand sanitizer for everything.
Yes, now.
The bros no one die. True, he dey craze. True, now mad in the mad, but he no one die. Now who dey alive they mad? Who don't buy no they mad? So even madman self one day alive mad on his own. Peacefully. So you wait the house, you dey ginger say corona no dey real, na lie. This is no fear key African man. No be madman be that. No be madman be that.
Madman wey be say they no be human. As in these people now, yes, they be human, but wetin they see, we no dey see am.
I tell you.
Make una surprise if he be say Koro don come meet am one-on-one. They don communicate.
Na
what for you?
Koro don come meet and tell am say, see,
guy,
see,
I know why they leave you. I know why they leave you.
See, collect your face mask, collect your face mask, and maintain social distancing. Even if you go to tell other madmen, see, Oga, no come near you. And senior man, you too much. And that, it be like saying be the chairman, and he be the chairman and the president of the National Association of Crazy for Southeastern Nigeria. Because now for Umuahia, they see this bros.
Yeah, and they, if you know that they live by example. The man
and as the president of the Crazy Association of Nigeria, Southeastern Zone.
And as you don't start them now, others will follow.
Yes. And him still be the tax force chairman for Madmen COVID-19 tax force chairman.
If he bring us for a ministry.
No, you know, say people they dash them money, sha. Bros, congratulations on top your appointment.
I tell you, if you collect Osusu from this person, that be say nobody wey no go fit collect Osusu from.
If he press me something, I go collect now. No, madmen get money. Oh. No be joke. Madmen get money. Oh. No. Madmen get money. If no be joke. Madmen get money. They only be say their money they mad. Anyway, sir. Make we throw back into go inside Bauchi State. Yes, so Northern Nigeria again. No? Northern Nigeria again. You get one capital for Bauchi State. Better capital. One capital for Zango area of Bauchi State. This carpenter, he won't turn modern day Bros Solomon, King Solomon. See, the bros they celebrate say in 4 wives and they give birth to. They give birth within the same 3 weeks. Within 3 weeks, they give birth to make in total number of children 13. 10 boys and 3 girls.
10 boys and
3 girls. And the brothers still the ginger say, yes, so I dey proud of this achievement where I don't achieve. And by the special grace of Allah, say even say more is yet to come.
I know, so you know what that senator get one meeting where they do that time where. I don't know who they quarrel or something like that. Nadma come the boss with it. His wife they there for that meeting. Now that senator's meeting. They got the hey Aisha, stand up. Hey, go to the stand up. You don't watch him. The man come they make mouth.
This is another idea.
Saying him get 4 wives. Saying they feed them. Saying they give them plenty children.
Thank you.
So,
you know my problem.
If
I know they against
there for Senate, this thing go do that kind of thing. Then who?
My one I know they against. Now African man it be normally. Africa made a polygamous in nation.
Yes, know them.
My problem no be say no be to born the children. My
them
problem na no go born children, no go born everywhere like this. We no fit train.
No, the problem.
And they say na carpenter na where I can't say worry. I don't know whether say they get carpenter and they get furniture designer.
You go see.
And they get furniture engineer.
Most of them,
and this one they call you carpenter.
See them now, most of them, all these people. I don't know about your uncle, whether your pocket they speak. Some of them, their own work, what most of them they do now to just marry you, bring you to have. Anyhow, where you and your family take your children. Take
I don't like about all this polygamous.
And they tell you they no send you again. Their own say some of them they think that they do favor to women. No, you get somebody who say they are helping women.
Now that mentality will no make sense.
Oh,
see, if you be woman and man open mouth tell you say I dey marry you, I won't marry you because I want just help you, come out you from your papa house. See, no go enter that kind of house, no go enter that kind of marriage. I dey tell people. As this bros then he don't drop 13 children. My own problem be say I know one condition where be say later now the bros go come run away. The state government go come, you go Bauchi state government. More now mark this bros face.
See them say, see the wife say they happy.
Anyway, Sha, but that one where we are red no look like person where they happy. Why you live in Shire? They look at them.
Nah, this thing I even say if like she still get belle safe, I be her belle don't.
Wait, so that one jump on, he still get belle.
I don't understand.
This man. Emila says she belle fool. She belle fool.
Sharp shooter.
Anyway, Sha, congratulations, bros Nura. Yes, so and Obenge capital we're looking for inside Bauchi.
They look for even just one half. Oh, God, I don't know how God they give this kind of grace.
This life no balance.
No balance. Some people they look for just.
Some people they even you get one day where I day we want come my ministry they pray to God say Father Lord even though na in bed may they talk say true your daughter no dey barren. I tell them no. Don't talk that thing. Now they use na mouth talk with it. Now this kind of prayer where some people go pray now, we will go get some men where they behave like women for society now.
So now, yeah.
They're specific.
No, I know what they pray. No, they pray in how I pray.
They're specific. If they ask God, tell them say, Papa God, I want a bomb picking. We be like bro starter. We get ministry. We get other kineko. All these guys is.
Sometimes the pity person when one be like you. Because you know one grow. You just they depend on people so.
No.
Yes, now.
You know Benzos.
You don't talk.
You know Benzos. The former number one. World former number one. Where they?
He still they look for.
You know say. Wait. You know what make him drop. You know what make him drop. I be tell him, bros Benzos. When you been start, when you been take over from others, you be the sow seed. Bros Benzos waiting to you. He can't dey form say, bros that I be one number one. Now this guy just come, Elon just come on his own, come sow one kind of Nicodemus seed, give the man of God. I place a hand on him. I said, Benzos. Now via Skype, I place that hand. I tell him, Benzos. Now
just via Skype. Imagine if to send a rape.
That bros, if for reach past the full earth. Anyway, yes, the bros don't be to born those children be the matter.
Yeah, so
now to train them their own. Now why we carry on?
You gotta shook our eye. My eyes, they look you. They watch you.
Anyway, sir, man, let's not forget, bros. You know, don't forget your multiple seed. It's very, very important.
You see one collect.
Why you no go collect? You no go dedicate those children.
They go use train these children.
The pastor will go dedicate those children go shop. If not me, all those children.
They be Muslim now.
And I feel still dedicated to church. Muslim feast still. You see, we are all one. Now one God with the worship. I beg you. Anyway, Shamo throw back enter on those states. 122-year-old girl, smally, shakily girl. You know what this girl do? 122. 22-year-old girl.
They specify.
Okay, it is a 122. I got to Mommy. Anyway, one shakily 22-year-old girl. See her. She go the shop, the Nakambele.
She need born like that.
No, she's done.
She's done.
You see that pikin where she carry so? She sell her pikin 10,000 naira.
Just 1,000, 2,000,
3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000. She never add 500 naira, 10,500. She said this pikin 10,000.
This person knows this small like this.
She said she did 22 years old. Now
this person don't pass. Wetin na dey talk sef. I been at the condition make am old.
You know wetin happen?
They see like this,
when I be the say, okay, make una talk to the man of God. Why this 65 pikin? Some people they 5 children. See, person, see who they say 10,000 naira. This pikin will find like this. Hi.
Condition.
Pikin will find like this.
Wetin be her problem now? Is it because they don't get money?
Now if you say just dey my mind. Now wetin she talk? She say when she born am, she say true. The man will give am belle. The very day open mouth tell the man say, "Oga, I get belle." Now the man, please. The man run. The man run.
Okay, run.
As the man run, she say she can't manage herself. Then she can't bondage that. She can't say, and not be only say she sell 10,000 naira. The major reason he sell 10,000 naira because say she don't try kill this child many times.
Hey.
The thing no work. They say the child, what do they call him? Umbilical cord. She cut him. Still. Made the child that she said she cut him so that the child go die. The pikin no can die.
The thing can't heal.
The thing can't heal. God may have it. Now she say she no want train the child. She no want keep the child. Now in brother, he get the hand now. The girl brother now contact one prophet. Because one prophet. I don't want to know his name. Now just now the prophet now. They can't tell the prophet say may come buy the child 10,000 naira. The prophet say okay. I go buy 10,000 naira, but now 5K I hold. They say press us the paper. And the prophet give them 5,000.
Waiting the prophet want use this child.
No, you counter. This prophet now this prophet say be the most is where that child get. The prophet say he say okay, collect 5K. They collect 5K. They put this pikin for inside line on. Give the prophet. Now the prophet rush carry the pikin go meet Amotekun. Will be the Western Security Network. Go report the home matter, give Amotekun. Amotekun carry him sharp. Go police headquarters. They report the matter. Now while like this, bring the picture of that girl. Let me see that girl. I don't know. I'm very angry in the spirit. Now see, now when they become the girl like this, give another the pikin. To me, I'm not sure. I no go say me they give this girl back this pikin. No, she not deserve her. She know this. Oh, now I miss America. I miss United States. When I be doing.
He say that this girl, because you don't get, you carry the belly, shame no let you. You still carry that belly finish, because the worst part of the whole belly.
Now they carry.
Is to carry the belly. At that time, you want to say, I don't want my people know say I get belly at that time. So you try carry this baby for 9 months. Then after that, you come push, come the baby finish. He say that this girl don't get good character. You know, say just some people say you don't get anything, you don't get good character joy. Because if this girl, at least she dey stay for somewhere, not for a place she dey stay, not say she carry this belly, come born her, who discharge her from hospital. So if you dey for a compound, I know people. Maybe say they go to contribute for it. Is it money to train this pikin? Is it
as far as he carry pikin? I say I don't face my face. They no fit leave you go home.
Now they talk now. The thing be say, is it that this girl na public relation officer?
So,
maybe she want go back to her normal
work. To her normal work.
You know, that most of them, all this public, they don't get like to.
You know, say Ashawo, we get belle. Na example of unserious business.
Yes, now.
If you say they don't, they call tell us, you don't do unserious for this.
So she just want do whatever. Then she go back to her.
To me, why person go get mind in own child wey you carry for 9 months, now you dey push and push, you go wan kill am.
Make I just tell you, wetin be your name? I don't know your name. The worst mistake you've made so far, whether you wan say or you know say that amount of money, wetin be 10,000. So e better for you to even say, abeg, I no need this child, they carry give somebody. That one go even dey okay. At least the person here and go say, yes, you no wan make anything.
I don't know why they give this woman back this child. See her face now. Her face no be like person. Her face be like, see the nylon. See the nylon wey she carry put the child. Now him dey down there. Nylon. Wey you say the child no fit breathe through.
Wait, now if this baby now come grow, they come yarn am this story.
After now she go dey cry. What people know? My child hate me. My pikin hate me. How this pikin go feed now? If him grow now, they plan say your mama be wan kill you. Your mama be wan say you 10K.
Ah, see, I beg. See,
before you go open your leg, before you go open that leg, and they say, baby, fire on, fire on. Use your bolo. I get money to trade if anything solve. This man, where they fire on, he go run if anything solve. Ask questions.
Another thing where babes they do, they know they ask themselves questions. You know, say men now they deal with fake love. Fake love full everywhere. As long as they want to do that one, they want to enter in between. They can tell you, they can give you, they can promise you heaven and earth.
Go on where they promise him. They say, baby, how much is money? I say, which kind of life?
If you want, if this guy even want to know that the guy, if you say for the first time, what you even go do without protection?
Well, you know, say no be your husband.
Elder things feel even happen. Other things feel happen. So you don't even think of all those things. So that's why we need education, honestly.
I tell you, it's very, very important.
Plenty things they shelling now. Many things.
Anyway, Sha, away from that, I may not to reason that matter because
when they don't give the abeg.
Yes, promise you, very important.
Don't suffer. Abeg, that baby needs
made the government
take care
all
of
this
that baby.
Non-governmental organizations. Make they just carry the baby.
Give me abeg. They find baby.
I
find baby.
You never saw your baby seed now. Now just see seed. Seed, sow your way through. Anyway, Sha, Mokutrobaki enter Osun State. Another matter, another tragic matter like this.
Why today?
I just did like this. Say why wickedness like this? They rule with nation.
I remember.
People now they unnecessarily wicked. Now this girl, one 20-year-old girl like that. Opeyemi, yeah, I get it right. Okoyemi. Now what did Okoyemi abi? But me did Yemi, not just spell Yemi. But no be Alado. So this girl, she did disabled. She know the work. She know the waka. She got that health issue. Now in the family, out of shame and out of say the girl get health issue. You know, since I get some families where if they born say if they born this kind child, they go the shame from the family go lock am for inside house for 5 good years. So 5 good years. This girl, she did now see where they be lock am. Oh God. I tell you, it's a wickedness day. And now this is at the highest level of wickedness. And in Papa na prophet, we get church. In Papa na prophet, we get church. See him.
See, and get some things where they, that's why you see all this NGO, then they try and get one why it's one Kokofu Foundation. Now you go discover that one for somewhere. So though that one say no be say they lock that one, but just that they no get money. Now this kind thing. So what they do, they carry these people, they get where they treat them now. They get a special hospital for them. They get people where they take care of them. Just give them money, even if you know one. Take it, at least you're gonna go, they check your pikin. Any amount we get, if you say this baby or the child, they distract you from what you did. If you go keep
if they shame you, go keep her there.
Don't keep her, they just like, like
this game matter as the Tory buster, they say now one NGO. You know, say one thing what NGOs
NGOs
they do now. They know they ask. They go investigate.
Yes.
Now via investigation, understand? They can't discover. They go relate with the Osun State government. Understand? Say see. Now when they hear this matter, they can't get the girl brother number. Can't call them. Now they take know the house address to locate them. Now in the Osun State, they say, see them. When they task for, they come pick the girl, carry the girl. That person picking be this. You go born picking. The mama talk say she no born this pikin learn. Now just say she sleep when she be there 4 years. She wake up, as she just wake up, she be shout like she get bad dream and she shout, wake up. She come
weak. She
come lame like this, come dey like this. Now him they come see and. And thank God say God don kuku use this NGO play better role for this girl. Like that, out of 5 years, they say this girl they chop once in a while, once in a blue moon. Then they even give her food.
Is it this kind of people? If Unati say she go die, she no go die. They go feel even die before. All this
I'm telling you.
Die. Now go this night they told say they get special hospital where they treat this kind of people. So if you get about this is public information. If you get people where get this kind of thing, wanna carry them go to that place.
Go this hospital.
At least if they distract you, just the same one like that Kokofu. That guy they try. Every time, at least once in a month, you go that hospital, go check that. Not being daughter, not being picky, but you go drop. And this baby now, you know, then they teach them. You say their body no feel move. So they don't teach them to that jaw so that they feed them. That baby now, the last one, Kokofi went there to go and check that baby. That baby at least he go, they laugh, they follow the as if the baby won't change.
I tell you, say nobody useless for this life. No right anybody out.
I tell you.
See now.
No be correct now you
you know what is with me for this whole matter? You know what is with me? When they tell me say the senior brother of the girl and the papa they Olopakula police don't catch them. They supposed face the law. Now kid they won't kill this child. You know how many years? Now me say this pikin enter she did 20 years now. She entered there when she did 15. Maybe papa na
so if this person now get mind person will not be a pikin. You know even the baby know them and if he carry them then what? More of you way before you born am.
Now she do herself.
See, this I should never ask you this thing before. Blood no dey thick again.
I be like say blood don't no dey thick again. The thickness they don't reduce the thickness.
Yes, because if you born pikin, that love, that bond go dey there. The love, the bond go there. They no go want make anything happen to your baby. And they say, I don't know, blood dey thicker than what I don't understand again.
Anyway, still on top of that one, and this matter, it tire everybody. It tire me, well, actually, well, I say, this is now your daughter, the pikin, when you give your wife belly, your wife draw. In the mama self, I can't invest. Say, a mama knows that they lock this child. Yeah, this is our family wickedness.
Wickedness.
See, I know say mothers, no, they get mind. For which kind of mother go live, they go lock your own child for 5 good years. Mama, and I just imagine the kind of preaching where the papa they preach for people. They send a prophet for one church like that.
And don't be surprised.
I just imagine.
Those ones, then they preach past anything. Then they say, follow my word, don't follow my action.
Igbo people they call them mana nihu person. Anyway, make we throw back in enter Omega Fire Ministry.
You're a member.
Hey, no.
You'll be a member again.
They did another organization. I did another organization.
No. We will be church pastors not get the same.
We be the new age pastors. Anyway, make you know, forget say one before pastor for inside Omega Fire Ministry.
Before.
Yes.
So they don't come out.
Come out. I did the sack him or use the hand come out. And then Pastor David, yes, now Pastor David, the bros, he been come out for one video, the pata for inside Omega be this Apostle Suleiman. Now the bros come up for inside video, they shout, they para, say, make people, make una come, say my daddy Gio, see him wife. Wait the middle. Say now the video be that. Say wife, wait the middle. Cause they talk say my daddy Gio, they sleep with my wife. Not once, not twice.
They catch him.
He say every time they go on all this revival to get
stop your wife now. If you say make your wife no go,
He say true. No be in wife no they do the thing under her own listen. They say Apostle Suleiman hypnotize her. He do am some wuru level for her. Now what he do am? Say the woman they sleep with the man of God. The bros call they cry for the video. Say make more people come on. Say even NDL say the man of God say don't they threaten in life since. In don't make him no fee come see him 3 children. Understand? And I say him gonna go. What think carry this matter come be say Apostle the man don't come out this just some days ago. Call they talk say say report been come say the IGP of police being order say make them go probe Apostle Suleiman. In control the street talk say yes, so IGP order my probing. How? Where? When? Say maybe now my ghost too. So I just read the story now. Say please make una discard this kind of apropos. Say it no make sense. It no hold water. But Apostle he still never addressed that matter. Still on top of that one.
You do am or you don't do am.
Still on top of that one. The wife of the man will be Pastor Faith. She don't come out clear air. Say she no sleep with Apostle. One. Say the marriage where the husband they talk say crash. Say now the husband using leg waka come up from the marriage. Say the husband abandon her for inside Kano State. Call and say he no want to again. Say even her brother where the UK United Kingdom call the husband and say bros Davido. What did they talk say you won't leave my sister? He say yes I don't want to again. They still say she even won't commit suicide. Now they picking 7 where she won't commit suicide. Say she faints many times when the husband leave her. She be dead devastated. I don't know who I go believe. Mommy you. I beg you.
This kind to get different legs so than the size a bit matter for the first
but before then you believe say Apostle wire that man.
Anybody feel wire anybody. See this wire men and we not trust una for that.
Why be say every year but no ship they use accuse this man.
I don't know why all these men of God. I don't know.
Especially this particular one. Apostle Suleiman, this will not be the first time where they use partnership accuse them. Every year, they get partner. This.
So sometimes, say temptations day also. Some people then they accuse because we no go say most of all this. We know they there. And again, say some people get evil mind. Maybe if they want to get something, if you not give them that thing, they know the thing to them go. They feel used to tarnish your image. And be somebody will be say they don't they accuse them already. So anybody feels still come up with that so that people go they crucify.
But if he say grown up man go just wake up, carry his phone, do video just to this man, if you watch that video, no worry, I will see carry that video come later. See, if you watch that video, this man they cry.
Now they ask you, the man you catch her before you go accuse somebody, at least you get concrete evidence. You see, I be just because your wife know they stay for her. Nah, Pastor Suleiman for your wife know
for that video. He said the wife confessed give him the first time where the man of God brushed through that ministry. The wife, when the wife go on a specialty with the man of God, as they come back, the wife called the demo, they ask her, honey, what's happened? The man say, honey, I know fear that from you. Say the man of God. And may I clear you know, and there, he said the wife, when the wife come back, the wife step can't change. The wife can't waka like broken leg. Say the man of God brutally banalize them. That is not brutalizing. He use both the anointing and everything.
See, anything will concern men of God. I do tell people, men they just take them easy.
Now why would they take them easy?
Because now God, because we don't see them say God ordained these people. So to me, what I go talk for this kind of matter, I don't go say Pastor Suleiman do it or not. The thing be say, this man just try to hold your wife, then leave everything to God. Make God be the judge. Because you get that so what people they do. Because if you If you talk, if you get the way you take too much, that you don't get concrete evidence now, it will come for you. So which evidence you get? Pastor Suleiman, they connected. You get money. You know, everything. And your wife don't come disgrace you join. Now disgrace with that.
And them say, them talk say the man dey popo.
No, you see?
The man dey popo.
So that kind of thing, so anything fit happen.
Anyway, sir, if na me, if I'm to suggest, as also a man of God, as I go tell this bro, so if you dey sure, say true, this man but not your wife. So I'm gonna face this thing humanly. So I'm gonna leave all this man of God matter. Now all this titles they kill us for Africa. So, make this man drag this man to go court.
So I just go take judge the matter where you know they sure of.
Thank you very much. For this man to come out, they shall like this. If we say get evidence.
But you see, and also to say this man get evidence if you don't, you know, the way they take the rant, you know, even wait for you to rant for waiting. If you don't carry everything, you can enter court. Now because they in the mind.
You know say na man him be. You get sometimes where you go carry something for mind. You say the make I just you did I say just free in mind. Understand? You get me? You just free in mind, meditate not today in mind, so that if because he's saying he received threat in life, so that the major reason when you do this in there, so that if anything happen to tomorrow, what people go know who do am. Man of God, we still dey wait for you, make you cuckoo pull mouth. You do, Abi no do. Panoying you or panoying you.
That she annoying you or now you annoying her. So,
yeah, we'll just get the ass. We still wait for the apostle.
Men of God, the more they take and they hate me. That's why I don't know why I say I don't go to church. But people don't know the reason why I don't go to church. Only the reason I'm between me and my God. Is it this men of God? I don't trust any of them.
Back then, the only accusation whether they knock men of God when church to be church say that pastor, you know, they like visiting members.
Yeah, but now
even our pastor for one church where they go, they accuse our pastor. One man when they say beer, they accuse our pastor say they we say pastor, how you say they pastor, waiting you buy from our pastor say we no go understand. We say man of God make us understand. We ask the man waiting buy say pastor they arrange every time pastor go tell and say make him bring hot alcohol and mix am together with beer and put am for film bottle bring am for say him go if they drop osusu for the ministry him go give am. So now osusu don dey drop man of God no wan pay. I don't see pastor wey don win car from beer challenge. Let me show. All these things wey be say if you buy beer, they go tell you say bust the bottle, open the this thing, all those kind of things. Now waiting pastor come, and he still get my account do Thanksgiving.
So you know that God they surprise people in mystery.
Anyway, make me throw back enter the country where they suppose bomb me, the country where I dey plan go, United States of America. Why they look me like that? Okay. One New York City school shisha. Yes, away name na Nasheed or waiting. My man shake down them. Na some person they take cause problem for himself. I get her. Nasheed, see her. This bros, not clear on waiting this bros do. This bros, as in day, he go online, they chat with one girl. Okay, this bros na teacher for one school, na girl school for inside New York. This bros go online, they chat with one Shenkes, one Shikala, and this girl, she did under 18. You know, say what problem I get with Oyibo? If you go America like this, sugar mommy, you need to go there. If you go America like this, you go see one big girl like this, way big anyhow.
You think say don't.
If you have that age, she go tell you say she did 15 years. And if you make mistake, browse.
You don't enter.
See you, see prison. See you, see prison. See you, see prison. So these bros go to chat with this girl online. They chat with her and say, "Oh baby, how are you? Hello, how are you?" They get say, "I'm fine, don't." They can say, you look nice. The man, they get say, you stop flattering me, Joe. Sorry, America don't use Joe. Stop flattering me. Say, come on, I'm serious. Say, come on, let's link up. From there, love on the grow, love the grow. And get from there, he say, make we link up. And they get and say, nah, come Florida now. You know, say for America now, Florida be like wait, person you say, may you come Abuja. And nobody say Abuja, Florida na the capital, but he far well. So the bros fly from New York, enter Florida, man go see the Shenkes. Man, waiting woman they do man. No. See my brother has spent this money for 2021. Just man go see babe. Fly from Florida, and from Florida reach from New York reach Florida. He reach like you know say New York, they near to Ojota. Wetin concern New York on Ojota bus stop?
They talk. Wetin gonna happen at the end?
The bros reach there. Test the girl. Oh baby, I dare your zanga. Now the girl say, okay, oh, I dey come. Now the girl come wear dress to kill. This kind of your gown, now wetin she wear. She come dress. As she dey come out, the bros, they lick lip. Hey! Okay, maybe because the bros lick lip and say, baby, hop into my ride. I carry this girl. They laugh for his hotel room. Yes, yes. I don't expect me ask me what you suffer inside the hotel room. The man of God, he gets some stories where be plus 80 where the man of God know they talk. But it might not. They might not inside the hotel room. And you know, say they know they better smoke. The thing can't leak.
As in the parents of that girl.
They don't find out. You know, so Igbo children know they like give their parents. One thing I take like about Igbo children, if they tell, do you sleep with a man? Say, Mom, I'm sorry, I love him.
They do and finish. The man waka go back to where he come from. So and the girl can't go back to the girl be flower.
I don't know.
Na flower be she don't they do and because for the girl to get that kind of mind.
You know say whether I don't they do I be know they do for inside Florida, wey be my state for America. Our law for that state be say if man wey dey from 28 and above, it man not somebody wey dey less than 18. Hey, okay, because hey, makashuks na law pakola e dey enter. And now what like this bros bring that in picture. Either way uniform already.
See where to partnership go they come.
I don't tell me the kind energy wey they take put for inside pano. If you channel them according to Reno, enter. If you say use that energy, enter in teaching work now. If they don't promote them to principal.
What if this guy can come and say one marry the girl?
The guy never reach 18 years, you know what marry anything. They go prison unless when he serve in prison time finish, go marry the girl. Mommy, this one tell you.
This one tell him you know say some of all these children. It's in fact that the mama self get work to do. So at least you know they know they educate the girl say this thing no do this, never reach you. You
know say now this
all those kind of things. You
know say you guys start chatting. We gonna say you know say all these small girls they like brother. Children nowadays I don't know why improper fashion they sweet them. Go see picky where they 16 years, you go they control brother where they 30 something years. They call them baby. Where we say that brother started the born on time, you suppose don't born your age mate. What's that?
Anyway, that's why I get some that place where they for bonus. I like their but if you say at this side, they know say if you even thought the girl go take say concern you.
You concern you know say
you go to be your problem.
This is one of the reasons why we say you see that woman where the American embassy. I don't know what I do that woman. I said that woman will just see me, they deny me visa anyhow. I said for no reason. They might just see me say why I go carry this kind of nose enter America. I said, madam, if I reach America, I go do no surgery. After all, my kid just run your own. He said, I go do one for Nigerian hospital. May they give me another one. Mara, they do you for head. No. Anyway, sir.
Well, this kind of man safe. Anyway, you go serve. They don't do them. You don't do them. I think the boy don't live for that side. He know the. I think.
And a white man now.
Also, as in, they are not saying go don't ask the girl waiting be your age, and the girl go don't tell him. The girl don't feel like for that side.
You know, see some of them they even remember to ask all these questions. Some people, partnership don't make them questions where you supposed first question where you supposed ask on the first date. You know, go ask her. Babe, waiting be your age, waiting be your blood group, waiting be your genotype, waiting be your menotype, and tyotype. You know the one will be tyotype. Anyway, bros, congratulations because you enter prison. Trust me, you go prison. And don't forget your prison seat. It's very, very necessary so that you go get better prison experience for the man of God. I go to put you for prayer. Anyway, I'm going to go back and enter India.
You work out, no, you just work out from Nigeria, work out, go enter another.
This one, you see this one we just discussed now.
This one I just
he heavy for you. Now more enter Exodus.
Okay. For
India, for one region for India, their culture be say, if Peking where they small start to the growth for the upper jaw, maybe from the lower jaw, how do they go? It shows say
you don't commit crime or waiting.
An abomination. And the only way they fit word of that evil spirit where they make the Peking the growth from the upper jaw now to marry the Peking to maybe a dog. Even a girl, they go marry her to a male dog so that the spirit go live her. Now waiting so for India. One small like this and one small boy where they 6 years, and another toddler like this, and they don't marry them, give this dog. Yes, so second say they won't water spirit. Second say they children, they can't they grow teeth from their upper jaw.
Oh, because of this will be barbaric.
No, caution is dynamic. And they even say the camera will carry go. They no agree will snap. We use one AK camera snap. Why the picture they like this?
Wait, so
now the dog be that.
Where the man be
yeah, now the dog, and the dog now the bride.
What thing they go they do with the dog?
That's your husband and wife they do.
No, it's not.
If you marry finish, your wedding night, what do you do?
No.
No. Won't face real matter.
Maybe they go just they pet the dog, make that evil spirit come out. No, nah. Like if we say the dog na way woman do, that dog never sabi do anything now. They train a trained dog.
They cook away. That's the cook. They be like children. They cook away even though they saw. They don't wear them clothes.
No. See, I'm like this small one away they here now. That one, this one go do. So never sabi anything. They say
this thing go help ward off the evil spirit. You know, so one thing with culture. Culture they dynamic. Second say your culture. What they laugh about.
Now waiting other people they cherish.
This thing to them now their way of life. Why I bring this thing come in? I want pass one small message. Say more they respect each other culture. Because when this thing be bust out like this, some people come they laugh. Say which kind of thing be this? I said no, this is not culture. Culture it is very peculiar to people. Waiting be abomination for your own side. Now culture for other people's side. Cheap, not really matter.
Anyway, what I believe say no be to have any ownership or
not just to ward off that evil spirit.
So the dog, the way they go they pet the dog.
But if the dog can't grow now, can't demand from your husband.
No, you know fit. The thing is say if you check it say for Igbo land, for Nigeria, your Igbo land, you get something where they say even for this, they see that up street as a crime.
You know, say normally child they start from here. Now from down they but picking where they grow it from up. You know, so basically a vampire. Anyway, sir. Yes, so Nadia will go take match break on top within the sub segment. So don't forget say entertainment G segment to go still show face. Now like this and make we go run some market paroski. As we show back, we go carry they go on top entertainment. No touch matter at all with the show back.
Hi, my name is Uche Jumba. Of course, you know where you dey. No touch that dial. Na Naija TV you dey. Naija no dey carry last.